This is a 1-minute stretch for the pectoralis major on the right side of the body. We have our client Kendall lying supine, and she's a bit diagonal on the table because I want to get her positioned such that her scapula is on the table. It's stabilized on the table, but her humerus can come down off the side of the table. We're going to bring her to about 90 degrees of abduction. We make sure that she's laterally rotated. I'm going to keep her elbow joint flexed so that the biceps brachii is slackened. And now I'm going to bring her arm down off the side of the table. If she were to rotate with her trunk, I might stabilize her trunk by pressing on the other side. That's for the sternocostal head. To focus the stretch to the clavicular head, I change the angle of abduction to be about 45 degrees of abduction instead of 90 degrees of abduction. And then I just bring her arm down toward the floor. And again, if I needed stabilization, I would stabilize her trunk if she were to rotate by pressing on the opposite side. That is our 1-minute stretch for the pectoralis major demonstrated on the right side of the body.